Jamaican Parents Translations, Part 3.
Hey, mashed up, man. Can I over it?
You're thinking about dropping it again, ain't you? Hang on. Hold that thought. You never know, say them sarcastic. Even a blind person can see. He might go give you some rotted lick.
Do you know where I should put this?
Come put it on my head.
Come put it on my head. That's sarcasm.
Come shove it up in my nose hole.
That's also sarcasm. Most of our parents should have been actors with hundreds of Grammys already. Because how the hell could you tell someone to do something with a smile on your face and then they bust your ass for doing it? But it's like, you told me to do it.
Huh?
Tick back in your ears.
Look into my eyes and tell me that you've never heard that one before. Yeah, chat.
Oh, so you take me for Papi sure.
Depending on your answer, you will decide your fate. Again, this is some Jamaican parents. Not all of them are the same. Jamaicans are not a monolith. We are one people, but we are not the same as one another. But if you've been through any of these with your Jamaican parent, please comment down below and like and follow for more.